Hello, let me show you how you can try to fix this issue when your Apple Watch Series 10 is vibrating but not showing notifications. And first of all, I will highly recommend you to start by opening Watch application on your iPhone. Go to the My Watch and go into the notifications. Now be sure that you enable all of these switchers for notifications and also check for the specific apps. So let's say that you are not receiving mails. You have to open it, and as you can see in my case, I will have to set it up to actually let it work on my iPhone. But let's get other application like messages. And as you can see, it's actually mirror my iPhone. So I can go for the custom one and I can simply enable this option, allow notifications, sound, haptics. I can even set repeat alerts, like for example the 10 times, and now you are sure that you will receive all of these notifications. There's also another option that we have to check. So as you know, on your iPhone and Apple Watch, you can use the do not disturb mode and the focus mode. And as a default, your Apple Watch is mirroring your iPhone. So when you turn on the do not disturb mode right here, or for example the focus mode, you won't receive notifications. So be sure that you switch this off, all of these modes that actually mutes your notifications, including the silent mode. And you can do the same on your Apple Watch. And also you can check if you are connected with your Apple Watch. So be sure that everything is fine with the connection. Go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth, and simply check if you are connected. If you are disconnected, then this is the reason why you don't receive notifications. So you will have to enable Bluetooth on your iPhone, Bluetooth on your Apple Watch, Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch, and then you can even turn it on and off. Turn it off and on to synchronize devices. So that will be all. Tell me if it works, and thanks for watching.